Catch a glimpse into the world of power tools, where the savvy meet the challenges of the workshop. Here's a fast-paced rundown of 10 tips to save your hard-earned cash when buying workshop tools. 1. Prioritize quality over quantity. Premium tools last longer, saving you replacement costs. 2. Do your research. Knowledge is power, and power tools are no exception. 3. Buy in sets. They're often cheaper than individual purchases. 4. Keep an eye out for sales. Patience is a virtue, and it can save you a pretty penny. 5. Consider refurbished tools. They're like new, but at a fraction of the price. 6. Avoid impulse purchases. Stick to what you need, not what you want. 7. Consider renting for infrequent use. Why buy when you can borrow? 8. Invest in versatile tools. The more uses, the better the value. 9. Buy from reputable dealers. The risk of counterfeit goods isn't worth the discount. And finally, 10. Always maintain your tools. A well-kept tool is a long-lasting tool. Remember, in the world of workshop tools, savvy shopping is the secret to success. Loop this wisdom and keep the tips coming.